Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to enable and disable NFC on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on connection and sharing. Here you'll see the NFC section, and just to activate it you should click here only once on the switcher. Also, if you want to change the payment method you can do that, but unfortunately I have no here, just another application, only the Google Pay. Here you can also use the Android beam feature, so you can turn it on or turn it off. This feature means that when you'll just activate the NFC, you can just place two devices just together, and after that you can just share with some images, photos, videos, contacts, just web pages and more, just other files. So if you want to turn off NFC, just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Here you can open also NFC by the second way. Just first open the notification panel, and after that find here the NFC section. Then just click here once on this section to activate it, and to turn it off click on the switcher again. If you want to launch the NFC settings by the same way, hold for a while just NFC icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.